Hi guys, my name is Abhishek Pandeyar and this is my YouTube channel HIMk. On the occasion of World Environment Day, 5th June, I have written a nature rap and it describes what ugly and evil things we as humans have done to Mother Nature. I hope you like it. This is my first time writing a rap, let alone singing it. So please bear with me and let's go.
Always caring, always living. Nature is a gift that keeps on giving. Raised in its clutches and shadows so cold. Humans have become ungrateful and bold. Mildew, dewdrops, honey and roses. Better wake up and stop insta poses. Better not catch you spitting on the sidewalk. Must be giving air, fucking stop your sleepwalk. This is time to shine and not show sass. Efforts may be crass, you be avoiding that crap. Don't be the last, let me take you to class. Air you be breathing, fucking walls you be shaking. All thanks to mother and mother nature. What kind are you creature? Have you no shame or manners? World's made for love, not hate or hate banners. In you go about and out you cry about things that don't matter. I'ma drown in that chatter. Open your ears, hear the screams of the trees. Brother, all the screen, you be smoking up that screen. Dream what is peace, open your eyes and no freeze. Bitchin' I'ma get in, there is no leave. Coming to the riches from all that Gaia, but you shall be coming back to your mother Gaia.